Yo, what is up, everybody? How's it going, YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review. I don't know if it's a review or something, but it's unboxing of an item that I recently, not recently, like, going back, like, say, maybe around the fall of last year. There was something that's coming, and what do you know? It says it right there, Creator VC, and it's for the Insurgent Darkness. Which one? Which one? So yeah, I missed on you. I didn't have the sequel. I'm not so sure. Did I do that or no? I will be getting along with the FPS first person shooter documentary. So anyways, enough chit chat. Let's go to the unboxing and see what's inside. Alrighty, before I show you what came inside, I was going to clear a couple things. For starters, I'm in the YouTube community and I'm often posting what time do I post my videos. And if there's like pre-order updates, I leave the link in the description, whether it be in my video in the description box down below or on the YouTube community to let you all know about certain items. And pretty soon, around the last week or spring break of March, the Creator VC is going to be doing a sale. So I'll keep you all posted. So remember, subscribe to the channel to be notified of all new uploads. Click the bell on the subscribe button. Like the videos. If you have any opinions or what do you think of anything, comments down below. So yeah, just to verify and clear a few things. All right, for starters, this came right here. It is for In Search of Darkness, 1990 to 1994, yo. Holy cow. It's awesome. Can't wait to see that. And In Search of Tomorrow Part 2, the journey into the 80s sci-fi continues. Summer of this year, yo. So yeah. Anybody follow my channel, like sci-fi, you like horror? Heck, I leave you links in the description box down below. Next up is this, this VHS card of the Creator VC, what is it? In Search of Darkness lifetime membership. Very cool. And hold on, let me just block something in here, folks. The barcode is there, so it's going to be, here it is, creatorvc.com membership card. Just to verify that, folks. Okay, hold on. There. Shaped like a VCR. And here's a poster. I believe this is a big one, yo. It's got various VHSs. 10 a.m. till midnight daily. Hellraiser, Creep Show, Boris Karloff, the OG Ghostbusters. 1950s Tarantula, other names including Rawhead Rex. I wasn't big. Street Trash, I don't like it. Nah. Spookies, that's Spookies. And which one's this movie? Oh, The Hand, which was directed by Oliver Stone, but that became a failure at its days. So yeah, I'm not gonna take this out right now, so I'm leaving it just the way it is. VCR rental available. This is how it was back in the 80s, y'all. Alright. Let's take a look at the piece de resistance, the documentary Blu-ray itself. Here it is, In Search of Darkness, Part 3, the final journey into the 80s horror. This is the third one, yo. And anybody has two, good for that. Mine, unfortunately, I don't think I do have the sequel. Yeah, I know I have the first one. I'm probably gonna get the sequel pretty soon when it's on a sale. So here it is. This is number 3, y'all. And this is a 5+ hour documentary. Deep dive explorations of the TV multiplex theater chains of the power. And the power of VHS revolution of the 80s. 70 interviews with horror icons, experts, tales, and other things that were impactful. Wow, heavy metal and everything. discussion with the creators of In Search of Darkness. And woo-wee, we got subtitles from English to Spanish, and we got 342 minutes. That's right. So yeah, folks, thank you. Shouts to the people of Creator VC and In Search of Darkness. Shouts to you all. Let's take a quick look how it looks, yo. It doesn't hurt. So yeah, those who have been following my channel, ordered your copy, good for you. Those who haven't, oh well. Better luck next time, dude. I mean, dudes and dudettes. Okay, when you open, here it comes in this Blu-ray. Yes. And then you have a booklet. And you can reverse the artwork, but I'm gonna hold that off for a moment and show you this pamphlet that came with it. Yo, this is how 80s stores were back then. Look at that, y'all. Anybody in the 70s or just a kid in the 80s, you'll get what I mean. The contents here, and got special thanks. I know some of these people. That's Tom Matthews from Return of the Living Dead. I know that actress. She played Detective Miller in Cold Case and would later be appearing in other projects. I believe that's Gene Simmons. Oh, Felicia Rose. Yo, Kurski Films. If you're watching this, that's Felicia Rose, dude. And that's Charles Band of the Full Moon Company. You might know him from other projects he did and did low-budget films for Full Moon. Well, formerly known as Empire Pictures, Moonbeam, and Full Moon. And then there's Adrian Barbeau. Tell me if you know any of the other ones right here. Pause it carefully. Tell me if you know. All right, moving on. Here's the writer and director, David Rayner, if I said his name right. Okay, 1980, Death Show, The Children, Prom Night. You know what? I'm not going to be saying it too much. This is what you're going to be looking at, y'all. This is the final set of 80s horrors right here. 1981, 1982. 1983, 1984. Oh, The Mutilator was good. Mutant, that was the alternate title for The Forbidden World, which is a Roger Corman low budget. In France, in the European release, it's pronounced Mutant. But, oh well, it is what it is. Don't Open Till Christmas. I gotta get that from Vinegar Syndrome. 1985, and then you got 1986. TerrorVision, what is it? The Hitcher, Word Acid, that's getting a decent release pretty soon, so you're gonna have to wait for that. Manhunter, I don't even know if it's gonna get a 4K. It needs to get it. Those Who Missed Out on the Scream Factory, that's kind of pricey if you have the dough for it. Alright, and then Slaughter High, that's got a good release. It's got a good Blu-ray release, so screw over the DVD because I heard it got bad audio or colorations. So that's 1986. Here's 1987. Blood Rage, that's got a good release. Summer Party Massacre 2, along with the first one, it's got a decent release on 4K, so good for that. Too bad it doesn't have a slipcover. What else? Jaws of Revenge. Well, I call it action and fun. It is a shark movie. Why did it have to be horror? Okay, Return of the Living Dead 2, and then you have Sorority Babes in the Slim Ball Bolorama. Slime Ball Bolorama. And you have the sequel, Sleepaway Camp 2, and then here's a few, but you're missing Sleepaway Camp 3, or was in the previous one? Who knows? So yeah, Fright Night 2, that's getting a decent release pretty soon. Yep, hearing word around. Rentless, I gotta see that. Puppet Master, big thumbs up to that. In 1989, that was the year three of my homies were born that year, and a buddy of mine was born that year, and another friend, and my brother was born that year, and my buddy's wife was born that year as well. Here are the folks at Creator VC. Shouts to you, ladies and gentlemen, or ladies and germs. Memory team. And then there's the special thanks. Pause that very carefully, y'all. Very, very carefully. Sure. All right, let's see the next item. The reverse artwork for this release. All right. Take the disc out for a moment. Very, very gently. And you have the slipcover artwork. Your choice if you want it like that, want to reverse it, or you just want to leave it like that. Your choice, folks. I'm just going to leave it like that anyway. Got the artwork with the slippy. Nothing to complain about that, folks. So yeah, shoutouts to Creator VC, man. You nailed this out of the park. Can't wait for a sale. Hope you're getting... If also, any of you didn't get the first two, you can get the trilogy box set. I'm pretty sure you already got your copy, so you're good. Yeah, I hope they do stand alone with a sequel. So yeah, I gotta get the second one. I'm obviously gonna get it anyway. I'm not so sure. So yeah, can't wait for the sale to come during springtime. It's gonna be off the easy. Well, I don't know what's up the easy with spring break. It's very, very crowded this time of the year. Ooh, nanny. So yeah, shouts to Creator VC, shouts to the folks that designed this, shouts to the director, and love horror, baby. Love it all the way. So anyways, y'all, if you're excited for the In Search of Darkness 1990 and 1994, let me know in the comments down below. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. And I'll be hearing you and seeing you soon. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all. And later.